let's make something loved by the whole nation. Yeah, you guessed it right. Biryani. Yeah, authentic Indian dish loved by millions all around the world. So yeah, let's get into it.
For the most awaited video. Thank you all for your comments, and yeah, here we go. First off, ingredients. A handful of mint and coriander leaves, 3 to 4 chilies, 2 full teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 large onions, half lemon, 3 medium sized tomatoes, 3 scoop or tablespoon of beaten curd, cooking oil about 1 cup. And now for the dry ingredients: few cardamoms, few cloves, cinnamon sticks about few pieces, garam masala 1 tablespoon, chili powder about 2 tablespoon or add as per your taste, and some salt, and of course take about 750 grams of fresh chicken cleaned and cut into medium pieces. First dice onions and cut tomatoes. Then add oil into the cooking pot. Add cinnamon, cardamoms and cloves. Frying these spices tends to enhance the original flavor of the spice, making them bolder and more intense. Add the diced onions into the pot and fry them. Add a little bit of salt to quicken the process of frying the onions. Fry the onions till it's golden brown, and now add the tomatoes. Stir well until the tomatoes are mashed up with the onions. Close the lid at medium heat and stir every 5 minutes to make sure the onions and tomatoes are not burnt. Once the tomatoes are all mashed and cooked, add the chicken pieces. Add ginger garlic paste, green chili, stir them well. Once done, add all the dry ingredients, mix them well and add some salt according to your taste. By the aroma of this process, you would already know that you are halfway through the biryani process. Beat the curd and add it to the pot. Continue mixing it for a while. Just mix the curd and you don't need any lumps. Make it a good gravy. Finally, add mint and coriander leaves for the refreshing flavors of them. Stir it well. Add water and half lemon juice. Allow it to cook in medium heat for them to give off their flavors. The type of rice you use is very important for getting the perfect taste and texture of the biryani. The ideal rice for biryani is basmati rice. Take 500 grams of basmati rice, 5 glasses of water, salt to taste and few cardamoms. Boil about 5 glasses of water for 500 grams of basmati rice. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and few cardamoms to enhance the flavor of the basmati rice. I have already washed and soaked the rice for 20 minutes earlier. Add the soaked rice into the boiling water and cook it till it's 3/4 done. Drain the water and add it to the chicken gravy. Spread it evenly and garnish with some coriander leaves. We have taken about 3 colors for making the day more patriotic. And yeah, you can add whatever color you want, but we are just taking a simple bright orange, green and a saffron yellow. Pour it on the rice. Cover the lid with clean cloth and close the pot. Simmer it for about 15 minutes. Do not open the lid. Let the gravy start flavoring the rice inside the pot. Meanwhile, let's prepare the curd raita. 2 chopped onions, chopped cucumber, grated carrot about half, chop 2 green chilies and some coriander leaves, add curd, salt to taste and some lemon juice to enhance the flavors for a tangy and awesome taste. Mix all the ingredients, add some salt for an extra flavor according to your taste. And this is an optional way of serving. Add some garnish cucumber or serve it in whatever way of garnish you like, or just keep the chutney simple. Delicious, a feast for the eyes, the colorful, flavorsome, authentic Indian biryani bursting with flavors is served.
Wow!
And we have come to the end of this video. Hope you liked the video and found it interesting, useful and tasty. Be sure to try this at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Thank you for doing that. And yeah, may we all live in peace, harmony and prosper together. Happy Republic Day to one and all, and see you in my next video. Till then, see ya. Stay tuned. Catch up next week.
I like it.